It is question number 24. We have to prove this statement is true for all values of n. Then for n equal 1, we have 2 into 1 plus 7 is less than 1 plus 3 to the power 2. Then 9 is less than 16, which is true. Then statement is true for n equal 1. Now we have to prove that this statement is true for we have to let that the given statement is true for n equal k. For n equal k, it means that is 2k plus 7 is greater than or equal to k plus 3 to the power 2. Now for n equal k plus 1, we have to show that this statement is also true for n equal k plus 1 using this term. In order to show that this statement is true for n equal k plus 1, we have to establish a relation that 2 into k plus 1 plus 7 is less than or equal to k plus 1 to the power k plus 1 plus 3 to the power 2. That is, we have to find a relation 2k plus 9 is less than k plus 4 to the power 2. In order to find this term, we simply add 2 on both sides of equation 1. We have 2k plus 7 plus 2 and k plus 3 then we have value 2k plus 9 k square plus 9 plus 6k plus 2. We can write this term in the form k square plus 9 plus 6k. 9 to 11 is greater than 2k plus 9. Means k square plus 6k plus 11 is greater than 2k plus 9. Since this, we have to form whole square of k plus 4, means the LHS of this term is in the form k square plus 16 plus 8k. Now this term is greater than it. Since this term is greater than 2k plus 9, if we add k plus 5 in LHS, if we add 2k plus 5 in LHS, then we have k square plus 6k plus 11 plus 2k plus 5 2k plus 9. क्योंकि ये टर्म इस टर्म से ग्रेटर है। तो अगर हम इसमें कुछ ऐड कर देंगे तब भी ये इससे ग्रेटर रहेगा। और हमने इसमें क्या ऐड किया है, 2k + 5, देन k² + 8k + 16 is greater than 2k + 9. It is equal k + 4 to the power 2. 2k + 9 can be written as 2k + 2 + 7. Then k + 4 whole square, 2 bracket k + 1 + 7, and this term can be written as 2k + 1 + 7 is less than, therefore statement is true. Is true for n equal k + 1. It means statement is true for all values of n.